biting me?
Yeah, and that's getting ready to go away. It's starting to cool off. This is the last piece. Take a little square, nail it over. See how it makes that look so finished? And that's not even the best part. This is the best part. You can cut them out square, you can cut them out round, whatever you want to do. Doesn't matter. Place it over your nail. There you go. Isn't that awesome? Place it over the nail. Some people just caulk the nail headed by itself. We like using this method. That way you don't have any exposed nails on your roof. Please hit the subscribe button down below. We do a bunch of different types of videos. This is one of many. I didn't get it from the beginning, and obviously you're going to make sure that you have a gap in the center of your roof so the air can flow through it. And then you install this over it. And even though I didn't show from the beginning, we start at the end of the house and we run it in. It's according to how many feet you want to come in, or inches. If you want to start your ridge vent out there, you can start it out there. If you want to start it in here, you can start it in here. We started ours in here, and we ran our initial caps right up underneath all the way to here so that we have good coverage, and then we come way back out here and start running our caps again. And that's what we do at the other end. So that is basically ridge vent installation.